As the Senate continues to debate what to do with the stimulus bill proposed by President Barack Obama,
The recession is deepening and the urgency of our economic crisis is growing.
Let's look at the precise numbers here on approval of the stimulus package. We did give them three choices in this question wording. Pass the Obama stimulus plan as is, pass it but only with major changes, or reject it out of hand. Now, majority, as I mentioned, favor one of the first two alternatives, but they're split. 38% favor as it is now, and of the 37% pass it but only with major changes. Only 17% say reject it outright. Naturally, there are big partisan differences here. Remember, we introduced this to the respondent as saying it was Obama's economic stimulus plan. Naturally, look at these numbers. Democrats, the majority of Democrats at any rate, say they favor passing it as it is. You can see very few Republicans agree with that, but enough Republicans say pass it with major changes to give over half of Republicans coming in and saying, yes, pass some kind of plan, but most of those say pass it with some changes. Will the plan improve the economy? Just 17% say it will make the economy a lot better. Another 47 say it will make the economy a little better. So if you put those two together, that's about two-thirds, 64%, who say it will have at least some impact. But for that 64%, we followed up and said, will that effect be seen this year? And overwhelmingly, Americans say no, it'll be next year before the impact is felt. As I mentioned, this shows that Americans simply aren't expecting that the stimulus bill is going to have a great impact on the nation's economy. By the way, Americans are even less sanguine about the impact of the stimulus plan on their own personal financial situations. 44% only say that it will make their financial situations at least somewhat better. That's an update for you on Americans' views of the stimulus plan. Bottom line, pass something, the public says. A lot say with major changes, but as I said, not a lot of optimism that whatever's passed is going to have an immediate and dramatic positive impact on the depressed U.S. economy. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, Editor-in-Chief of the Gallup Poll.